if you're ready to become fearless in your interactions or goal pursuits, stay tuned because I'm going to share exactly how you can get started doing this today. So I have 2 tips for you. The first one is to recognize there's nothing wrong with you. You're not a wimp or a chicken if you're feeling any kind of hesitation. You might recognize it as fear, or it could be procrastinating or overwhelm, analysis paralysis. There's a lot of ways this can show up for us, but if you feel any hesitation to do what you'd like to be doing, speaking up in a conversation, sharing your opinions more often, this is how you can start. First, you want to recognize that this is an instinctual response of your subconscious to try and keep you safe, because anything new or different through our evolutionary process, it saw as a potential threat. So the first thing you want to do is recognize that you're doing it, you're hesitating, and then do your due diligence, do a threat analysis. Is there really anything that should be slowing you down or making you not want to do this thing? If not, then you can talk to your subconscious. You want to do this both out loud and then silently in your mind. Tell your subconscious, which is very smart, that you're safe. This is something safe you can do. There's no threat, and you're going to do X, Y, and Z. And then take a really small step right away. If it's a tiny step, there won't be any resistance. And as your subconscious sees you starting to move forward slowly and safely, all of the rest of the resistance will dissipate. The next tip I have can take a little while to develop, but this is really the best way to go about this. Develop your inner knowing. This is that divine guidance inside you all of your life, wanting to guide you on your path and purpose. And when you know and trust it, and so you know you're heading in the right direction, there is no fear, only excitement over your path. When you develop that faith and trust in your inner wisdom, you will be fearless. Be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.